Mastering separable phrasal verbs. Learn with ease. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we'll be delving deep into an exciting topic: separable phrasal verbs. Understanding these versatile verb types will help you greatly in boosting your English fluency. So, let's get started. Separable phrasal verbs are a type of phrasal verb that can be separated by other words. In English, a phrasal verb is a verb combined with an adverb or a preposition, or both, to give it a new meaning. When the phrasal verb is separable, the object can come in the middle of the phrasal verb, or after it. This means you can break them by inserting other words. For example, the separable phrasal verb, turn off, can be used as turn off the light, or turn the light off. Let's take a look at some common examples of separable phrasal verbs. 1. Take off, to remove something, especially clothes. 2. Example: you must take off your shoes before entering the house. 3. Example: you must take your shoes off before entering the house. 4. Put on, to wear or to start to wear something. 5. Example: she put on her coat and left the room. 6. Example: she put her coat on and left the room. 7. Turn on, to start the operation of something. 8. Example: can you turn on the light, please? 9. Example: can you turn the light on, please? Remember, the key point here is that the object can either directly follow the verb or can be placed between the verb and the preposition. When using separable phrasal verbs, it's important to note that if the object is a pronoun, like it, him, them, it has to go in the middle of the phrasal verb. You can't put a pronoun after the preposition. For example, correct, I turned it on. Incorrect, I turned on it. So, always put the pronoun between the verb and the preposition in separable phrasal verbs. It's a simple but crucial rule to remember. And that wraps up our lesson on separable phrasal verbs. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these elements of English grammar. Try using some separable phrasal verbs in your daily conversations and writings. We hope you found this video helpful and we're excited to see you in our next session. Until then, happy learning!